Nope. Oh, yep, that's a bite. That's a bite. That was a bite. Oh, yes. Yep. Still there. Still playing. Still playing. Come on. Come on. There we go. Fish on. Fish on there. Hey everyone, Tucker from Wasatch Mountains Fishing here with another fishing video for you. So I'm up here at Jordanelle to do some fishing, but as you can see, it is raining right now. So I'm not sure how much filming I'm actually going to be able to do today. I'm hoping the rain kind of dies down. It wasn't supposed to start raining till this afternoon. So I'm going to get out there, I'm going to start fishing, and hopefully I'll be able to start filming for you guys. I might just be filming some fish that I'm catching, who knows. So anyway, let's get out there, let's go catch some fish. Alright, so as you can probably hear, it's still raining pretty good. I started out over by the Rock Cliff area, and it was unfishable there, way too muddy, can't even access the water. So I am over here by the main boat ramp, and I'm gonna see if I can't get a line in the water. Well, hopefully I'll even be able to video a little bit. We'll see what ends up happening. So let's try to get out there again. Alright, let me give you another update. As you can probably see by the fact that I'm squinting at the camera, the sun is out now. It's still sprinkling a little bit. I'm still sitting in my car at the boat ramp. I have a line in the water. I just got a bite. It's just nuts right now. I'll show you kind of what I've got set up. So I've got the trunk of my car opened up, as you can see right there. And then I opened up the back seat of my car. I don't know if you're able to see it or not, but my fishing pole is sitting right there. And I can lean down. And see it. And so that's how I could tell that I just got a bite. I missed the fish. So I'm probably going to try and set the camera up in the back of the car so it doesn't get wet, so I can still film at least a little bit. We'll see what ends up happening with that. But yeah, so that's what's going on right now. Lots of fun. Okay, I'm not sure how much of me you're actually able to see here, or how much you're actually able to see. Hopefully we'll be able to get some decent footage for you. Just got a bite not too long ago. Hopefully I'll be able to get another one. I might put a second line out here in a minute. The rain is starting a little bit again, so I'm hoping that I can try to avoid getting the camera wet, but we'll see. We'll see what I might or might not be able to do. Nope. Oh, yep, that's a bite. That's a bite. That was a bite. Oh, yes. Yep. Still there. Still playing. Still playing. Come on. Come on. There we go. Fish on. Fish on there. That's a fish on. Yes. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, let's flip that up so you can actually see what's going on here. Don't cross that line. Don't cross that line. Man. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's putting up a good fight. Not very big. It's putting up a good fight, though. My goodness. Come back this way, buddy. Oh, no, it's still there. Come on, in this way. My goodness. You know, he's not big, but he sure is a fighter. Yes. Hit real dang hard too. There we go. All right. Nice rainbow right there. First fish of the day. All right. See you, buddy. Oh, shoot. That was a bite. Yep. That was a bite on this. Okay. Let's see if this comes back. Yep. He's back. He's back. Come on. Take it again. Take it again. Fish on. There we go. Another fish. Oh, that one's jumping out there. I hope you can see that. He's... Woohoo! All right. All right, there we go. Two fish. Okay, maybe my drag on this is a little loose. There we go. Oh. All right. Another decent sized rainbow, not a monster, but not bad. All right. Okay, there we go. Another nice sized rainbow. That's two right in a row. And he's gone. All right. Okay, let me take you on a little tour of my setup here. So, it is pretty chilly out right now. So here's what I have. I have my car right here, okay, with my fishing poles out the back of my car, which you kind of saw earlier. And then you come with me in here. I can look in those mirrors. Oh goodness, that's way too close, but whatever. You can see in that mirror, I can see both poles. So I'm just, during the warmer time, or when it's a little cooler out, or when it starts raining, I'm just hiding in here, you know, waiting for it to cool down or warm up again, or for the sun to come out. So that, oh goodness, that was awful. So that is my current setup for how I have things going right now. Oh, that was a bite. Yep, getting played with. Gosh dang it. I can't grab it from that side. Okay, let's see. Still want to play. Come on. Let's play. Come on. Take it. Yep, still playing. Take it again. Grab it again. Ah, I missed it. Oh, yep, that's a bite. That's a bite. Just got a bite on this. Just as I was about to reel it in. Yep, come on. Come on. There we go, fish on. Fish on, all right. Just as I was about to reel her in, too. All right, putting up a good fight. Come this way. Come on. Over here, over here. Over here, buddy. He might have eaten both hooks. Both baits. Can't tell yet. I guess we'll see. Hold on. Come here. Come here, Mr. Fish. Come here. And there we go, in the net. All right, there we go. Another nice rainbow. Bye, my friend. Thanks for playing. Oh, shoot, I'm getting a bite, getting a bite. Yep. Take it. Fish is just swimming with it right now. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on, take it. There you go, fish on. Wasn't a great hook set. There we go. That's a better hook set. All right, he was just swimming with it, swimming with it, swimming with it. I bet you he swallowed it real good. Last one of the day. All right, let's get you in the net, buddy. Come here. There we go. There we go. Nice little rainbow. Hey, buddy. All right, well, it is time for me to call it a day. I got to get home to my wife. She's got some stuff she needs to go do. But overall, it was a pretty good day. The weather was looking like it might be pretty crappy for a long time. And it ended up turning out pretty nice. When it was raining, I was able to hide in my car and still able to fish. And I ended up catching 4 rainbows, 3 pretty nice sized ones. So I'm pretty happy with that. Get out there, enjoy the soft water while you can. Hard decks are going to be coming soon. And hopefully we'll be able to get out on the ice and go catch some fish for you. Tight lines, good luck everyone.